Dan Moskal here, and in this video we are going to talk about installing WordPress. So installing WordPress on a new website. This is going to require you to purchase web hosting. I would recommend Bluehost. That is from my years since April 2006. I have found Bluehost to be I've done research. I've worked with Yahoo Web Hosting, PowWeb, HostMonster, GoDaddy. Bluehost is what I recommend. Um, and if you're familiar, Bluehost does have an affiliate program. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, which might be worth looking into. So anyways, control panel login or create your account. We're going to go ahead and use one of our accounts for one of our sites and install. So one of the neat things about WordPress is you can install multiple WordPress sites on your domain address. And if that doesn't really mean a lot to you, don't worry, because we're going to just keep this simple. So the first step you need to do, once you get into Bluehost into your account, you're going to be taken to the cPanel. And the cPanel, this is going to look just like HostMonster and JustHost and a bunch of other ones. They have a very similar template design for their cPanel. But you want to go to Website Builders. At Website Builders, you want to click on WordPress. And now they take you to a place called Mojo Marketplace. This is some sort of deal that most of these web hosting companies have set up here recently. Mojo Marketplace is what used to be called Simple Scripts. You don't have to pay anything. It doesn't mean anything. It's just an easy way to create your WordPress website. So we're going to do a brand new install. If you're moving a WordPress site, you can import it, but we're going to install a brand new site. So you can choose here whether or not your address contains www dot or not. I like the www dot. And we're going to put this one on www.videoblog. So that's where it's going to show up, pickupdater.com/videoblog. Because right now we already have a WordPress site at pickupdater.com. This is what our WordPress website looks like. So click check domain. We're going to install it at Videoblog. If you want it on your home page, don't put anything here. Or your home address, rather. It's going to take just a moment, and we're going to choose a username. You're almost there. This is the last step. I would recommend that you click here, Show Advanced Options. You can put the title of your blog in. What you really want is your username. And I would recommend copying this stuff. You can change the password if you want something else, but this way you have it. And if you ever forget it, they'll send the password to that address right there. I recommend leaving this checked. Automatically create a new database for this installation, and then you have read the terms and conditions. So click Install Now when you're ready. And this is going to take just a moment. Let me go ahead and show you where the login page is going to be. Videoblog.php. No, whoops. Okay, so if you ever the login page for your website, your WordPress website, is always going to be the address wp-login.php. That's always going to take you to the login page where we just put our username and then password. As I mentioned, this is being installed on a different actual URL address, so this is going awesome. So this is what our new website looks like, and if you see up here, it's Videoblog. So that would work just the same. I believe. I'm trying to think how that would work. Okay, well, don't worry about it because you're probably putting it on your home page, but they're going to give us a little, oh, here we go, login URL. Yeah, videoblog./wp admin or login. So this is our login page for this, our brand new WordPress website that you just created. If you want to, I'm going to show you what this looks like, and we're going to talk about just the template and the design so you can really get what you want. Because with WordPress, WordPress is a great tool. They make things a lot easier. So let's just go back and do this one thing at a time. I apologize. So our installation has been completed. Success status. Step 1, access your new install of WordPress. So this is our site. This is our website, our brand new WordPress website. This is our login for that brand new WordPress site. And this is your username and password, obviously. So let's go ahead and log in. Now, if you look up here, you know, this is on video blog. Just keep that in mind. And this is what I'm, all right. In the next video, we're going to talk about the theme, or yeah, the theme and really the way your theme looks like, because WordPress gives you a few free themes, but this website using WordPress, this is a purchase theme. I purchased this with Genesis. It's a Genesis theme, and from, you know, the years I've been working with this, I've seen success with the default free WordPress sites, but the Genesis theme from my research, and Genesis theme is what I have on all of my websites that are WordPress, is what I have found to be, and have read at least, as the most SEO friendly. Mojo offers some themes. If you click down here, you can browse some themes. These themes typically are going to cost you some money. Here's $50 or $49. You know, this is the Mojo themes. I don't know anything. I'm not familiar with the Mojo themes. I am familiar with the Genesis themes, and from all the other guys that I have read and researched and keep up with, the Genesis themes are the best. But if you want to use a free one and you want a different one than what we currently have, you know, let's go over here to install themes. And from here, you can kind of choose, you know, color, columns, what sort of features you want. So let's say we want a 2-column website. Let's click down here, find themes. And these are all free themes. These don't cost a penny. Let's go ahead and let's just take this one for our example. Click install now, and then you're going to have to click activate. You can preview it if you want, or you can just go back to the theme installer, but click activate if you're ready to put it in. So let's look at our site now. See, this is our site. It just changed. This is a different theme. Let's go back to the default just because they have a little bit better customization. I'm going to walk you through just the customizing it real quick. Because you do have some options even. You know, you can change the title here. Title. This is the tagline. You see it on the screen here. The colors. Header color. This is going to be the text in the title. See how it changed to purple. Change it to green. And then the background color, it's just like it says, background. Background image, if you'd like to put an image in. I have a picture of my nephew here on mine. This isn't a WordPress website, by the way. But if you want to put an image there, you can. Static front page, you can either have it rotate with your newest content, your newest posts, and there's some more techie details about this stuff, or you can just do a static page and choose, you know, to have one page always appear on your home page. Trying to show it to you. There we go. Sample page. So we will go ahead and save and publish this. Let's take a look at our website. See how it changed. It's a lot different now. So let's go back and just do widgets are important, but let's do menus. Because this is equally important. So the menus are kind of what's going to show up in here. Home, about us, privacy, whatever your website's about, contact us. So let's go ahead. We have to make a menu, and we're going to say this is the top menu. You can title it anything you want or name it anything you want. So in the top menu, we're going to do your theme location may be important too. Theme location, if for some reason your menu doesn't pop up, check out the theme location. I'm almost positive I need to put top menu here, but I just want to see, so I'm going to leave it blank for the time being. I want to see how it looks. So we're going to do www.google.com just for this example. This is a custom link if you want to do it this way. There's some other different ways you can do here, but we're going to say tab for this. Can you see? Add to menu, and now we'll do another one, home. Or here, we'll do the sample page just so you can see it. Add to menu, and then if you want to change it, you could go home, we changed, and this is going to show up differently on the right here. It's going to show up differently. So we'll also add the category, add category, and then rather than saying we'll just say uncategory, can we see? So I want you to see, if we don't type anything here, it'll stay as uncategories, but we're going to do save menu, and now we still need to put it in, I believe in the widgets, I'm almost positive, depending on what theme you have. Yep, see, it's not appearing. We don't see it on our website now. So we have to go over here to the widgets. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's actually try this first. Primary menu. Let's do top menu. I bet this will get it to show. Yep, see, tab, can you see? Home, we changed. Uncategories, can we? I think this one takes us over to Google. So that's how to put in the little menus and stuff. And the widgets. So you can see widgets. Let's just take these all off, give you an idea. So currently, these are all the widgets: recent posts, recent comments, archives, meta, blah, blah, blah. So let's refresh it now that we've taken those off and see how our website changes. Whoa, it definitely changed. So if you want to have, your recent posts over there, and you want to have a calendar, make sure you save these and press save, especially if they don't appear when you refresh your website. But here we have our calendar and our recent posts. So like I said, I've had success using the free templates with SEO and search engine optimization, getting my website to show up in Google. I've had success with these, but I don't use it anymore. Today I do use the Genesis theme on all my WordPress sites. That's what I would recommend doing. If you have another theme or you've found better themes to use, please let me know. I want to talk relevantly, and I'm always learning. So if you've got a better theme, or have learned about a better theme, or using a better theme that's giving you awesome success, please share it with me. I'd like to know. And if not, use the Genesis theme. I believe it's about 20 bucks. We're going to talk about that here in the next video. But this is how to really customize it: the widgets, menus, header, and then there's the background. You can put pictures in for the header if you want. You have to play around a little bit with the size just to make sure that it's the right size. 960 by 250, and every template is typically going to require a different header size, just so you know. So anyways, this is Dan Moskal. For more tips, check out Dan Moskal University, and we also just published a book at Amazon, How to Create a Website, Easy Button, Earn Money Online with Google AdSense, and more. We have Amazon gives us a cool promotion that will provide us, they'll let us give you a free copy of the Kindle. If you're our Facebook friend or our Google Plus friend, we'll notify you. We're going to do this here next week, and if you happen to miss this free giveaway, as long as Amazon continues to let us do this, I think it's the greatest thing in the world. We will give you a free copy of our future books, and we're already working on our next one. So that one's about how to write your book. I don't know if you are one of the 80% of people in the study I heard about who wants to write a book, but it's very easy, especially given all the technology we have at our fingertips today. So thanks for watching. This is Dan Moskal. Have a wonderful afternoon.